On the 26th of February, councillors will be asked to agree the council's budget for the next 12 months. I'm really proud of the proposals, which I've been working on with councillors and council officers over the last year. Despite really challenging circumstances, we're making some positive decisions which we think will benefit Hackney's residents and businesses and help us to make Hackney fairer, safer, healthier and more sustainable. We want to help everyone to access the opportunities available in our borough and do everything we can to support those on low incomes. This year alone, our employment service, Hackney Works, worked with over 3,000 people. And here at the council, we have over 100 apprentices working for us. The council also funds local organisations who offer a wide range of financial support and advice. In our upcoming budget, we will announce over £500,000 for projects to directly help our poorest residents, including help for families in food poverty to help them access fresh and healthy food. We'll also help 27,000 people on low incomes to pay their council tax through our council tax reduction scheme. We know that safety is really important to our residents, which is why we will continue to fund the Integrated Gangs Unit, our unique partnership with the police, probation service and other partners aimed at supporting people out of gang involvement and into real opportunities. We will also fund extra police officers and safety initiatives in our nighttime economy, using contributions from the late night levy. We'll continue to support people to lead healthier lives, from building a new leisure centre here at Britannia, to tackling obesity and supporting people to quit smoking. Our new rough sleeper outreach team will also work with some of our most vulnerable residents, offering wraparound support from mental health to housing advice, as well as piloting Housing First. And we'll continue working with health partners to explore further investment in our care homes and GP surgeries, as well as maintaining Oswald Street, our new day centre for adults with complex needs. Last year, I'm incredibly proud that the council declared a climate emergency, and making our borough greener and more sustainable runs through the heart of this budget. We've committed significant extra funding for projects, including investing in energy efficient bulbs for all of our streetlights by 2022, and we're going to plant over 30,000 new trees in our streets, parks and green spaces. And by the end of the year, we'll have over 22 new pioneering school streets throughout the borough. We'll continue to invest in the services that matter to you, such as our libraries, leisure centres, parks and green spaces. We'll be investing in a new learner pool at London Fields Lido and refurbishing Stoke Newington Library and Hackney Museum. Our 4 youth hubs will continue to offer both targeted support and a huge variety of activities for all of our young people. We'll start and complete over 250 homes for social rent, shared ownership or Hackney Living Rent, as well as improving and maintaining more than 23,000 existing council homes. And we'll continue to put on cultural events that bring the community together, boost local businesses, including Hackney Carnival, Hackney Pride 365 and Discover Young Hackney, all events that celebrate our different communities, and we'll be celebrating Windrush again. This year, the funding we receive from central government will be about half what we received in 2010. A decade of austerity. As well as having less money to spend, demand for our core services is getting greater every year, mostly as a result of the housing crisis and damaging welfare reform. For example, we will spend £45 million on supporting rough sleepers and those at risk of homelessness, including families in temporary accommodation. We will look after over 400 children in care, and we'll spend £108 million on social care for vulnerable adults. Regrettably, we've also had to increase council tax by an average of 90 pence a week. We know some people will struggle with this, so we've increased the amount of support available to low earners to help pay their council tax. But your contribution will help us to make Hackney a place for everyone and to do the things that make our borough a great place to live. Early indications suggest that in the coming years, London could lose a further £400 million under the government's funding plans, continuing austerity for us for many, many years to come. We'll continue to make Hackney's voice heard by lobbying the government for a fairer deal for areas like ours. And we'll always involve you when we have to make difficult decisions about funding our services. As this budget sets out, now more than ever, we're ambitious for Hackney.